Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. Only a focus on the lower degree wave count in this video. It starts to look like we could get a triangle here. It's very early days. I don't really want to call out a triangle here too early, but I just explained it in the Bitcoin video, and it might be a bit too early to call for that, but it's an option. It's an option, and the move down of the high doesn't really look entirely healthy. However, if it's a triangle, it's okay. We want to talk about why. So we talked, first of all, throughout the entire weekend, end of last week, about this support area and trend reversal area. So we reverse trend, I would say, as anticipated, because that was the primary expectation, that here we get a trend reversal and put an extension in this fifth wave. Did explain all of that. The alternative, though, is, and that is going to become the primary, that we go down much lower, and that the top of that movement, that advance that started back in November, was already in on the 16th of February. That is the alternative for now, and that will become primary if we drop below the 1525 level. Yeah, but for now, we can focus on the lower wave count because the primary is working out at the moment. So we can focus on that until the pattern fails. So the idea is at the moment that we moved up off the low in 5 waves, explained that in the last video. We came down in an ABC pattern, in the so-called running flat pattern. No, actually expanded flat in this case. Fine. Not too likely normally in a wave 2. That's why I have slight doubts about this scenario. Now, I always call out these things to you. Don't think I am massively doubtful about this move. But of course, we need to be considering that this is only sort of a fake out. Some people might call it, a bull trap. Yeah, it could just become an ABC. Yeah, we have to look for these small imperfections in the count, and this is not likely in a wave 2. A wave 2 is normally a sharp correction. This is sideways, and it's not very deep. So yeah, it's valid. It's 5 waves up, 3 waves down. It's just not ideal. But anyway, it's okay so far, and we have moved up after that in 3 waves. So within this within this third wave, we have done 3 waves, and we talk about that in a minute. But this third wave up there should reach the 1.618 extension around 16, at least 1670. Yeah. Now in this third wave, we can say that we have done a wave 1, a wave 2, and a wave 3. 1, 2, 3. It's a bit like Bitcoin. 4, 5. So we're waiting for wave 5 to play out. 2 options here. So first of all, the condition is we need to hold the 1599 level. If we break below that, this entire pattern fails. Actually, what we need to hold in the short term is the 50% retracement of the third wave. We talk about 1624, we did hold that. So we could say maybe this was a very sharp wave 4 correction, possible. I would rather say we need to be open to the idea this could become a triangle. This looks a bit better than what Bitcoin is doing. So by all means, take a look at Bitcoin's video as well, but we are far away from the wave 1 high here. Bitcoin is a bit closer. So this could evolve like that, A, B, C, D, E. Now you shouldn't normally call out for a triangle too early, because this could just become a simple ABC, or this is already a 1-2 setup of the wave 5. But either way, I just want to give you options here and explain to you this could become a triangle. Because it's a wave 4, we need to be open to that idea. So I'm watching that possibility. Yeah? And then we could move higher. So at the moment, all good. It would be good if we now make a higher low and then either rally or make another lower high and another higher low and then rally. So that's sort of what I'm watching. Not too much more to add. I gave you the target. And important is that we fill in all these 5 waves. If we don't, then I gave you the key support levels that it needs to hold now. So if it doesn't hold these, then we had a bull trap. And it's breaking down, basically a fake out. But it's a good start to the week. So we will we keep options open here at the moment. But important is the expectation so far worked out. It reversed in the trend reversal area, and now we can just watch it. Okay, that's my update about Ethereum. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.